In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Tradovate for day trading. By the end, you'll have a clean, efficient workspace, risk controls in place, and a way to practice without risking real money. First, log in to Tradovate and choose whether you're using a live or a demo account. If you're just getting comfortable, the demo environment is perfect for testing without pressure. Next, make sure you're subscribed to real-time market data for the futures you plan to trade, like ES, NQ, or MNQ. Without real-time data, your charts will lag and order decisions won't reflect the live market. If you follow multiple products, verify each one has the appropriate data enabled. Now let's set up your layout. Click the plus sign to add new tabs and create dedicated workspaces. I recommend one for charts, one for the SuperDOM, and another for order entry. Tradovate is modular, so drag and drop panels into positions that make sense for your routine. Keep key tools visible and remove what you don't use. A clean layout reduces hesitation when the market moves quickly. On your chart, switch the style to candlesticks for clarity and set your preferred time frame, such as a 5-minute view for day trading. Open the Indicators tab and add the 8 and 21 EMAs. These moving averages can help you visualize short-term momentum and pullbacks. Place them in contrasting colors so you can read them at a glance. Before you place a single trade, configure your ATM strategy for risk management. Click the cogwheel next to the ATM dropdown and create a custom strategy that automatically places your stop loss and take profit the moment you enter. Define your default stop distance on profit target and quantity. This automation ensures you are protected even if you're moving fast or the market spikes. Next, refine your chart view. Add volume so you can see participation behind each move. In settings, choose a theme you prefer, like dark mode, to reduce eye strain during active sessions. Most importantly, enable show fills so your entries and exits appear directly on the chart. This makes post-trade review straightforward and helps you spot patterns in your execution. Finally, take advantage of market replay. Use on-demand playback to practice your strategy, test your ATM settings, and build confidence. It's the same platform, the same tools, but none of the risk, perfect for sharpening your edge. That's your foundation in Tradovate. Correct data, a tidy layout, smart charts, automated risk, and a safe practice environment. Save your workspace, and you're ready to trade with focus and consistency.